When it comes to cleaning, the words sanitize and disinfect often used interchangeably. But in actuality, there's a significant difference between the two terms. Keep watching to learn the difference between sanitizing and disinfecting. Number 1. What is a sanitizer? A sanitizer is an agent that decreases the quantity of illness-causing, pathogenic microbes on an inanimate food contact surface to safe levels as decided by public health requirements. A sanitizer, by and large, is a chemical that kills 99.999% of explicit test microscopic organisms in a predefined measure of time. Number 2. What is a disinfectant? Disinfectants are agents that liberate an inanimate body, for the most part hard non-porous surfaces, from contamination by killing microorganisms. Disinfectants slaughter 100% of specific microorganisms, yet they are not utilized on individuals, just on inanimate body surfaces, unlike sanitizers which can be used by humans. Since disinfectants don't execute all microorganisms, particularly bacterial spores, they are unique in relation to sterilants. Number 3. EPA certification. Sanitizers and disinfectants are regulated by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and therefore, must be certified through a process that tests them to meet certain predefined criteria. By law, a chemical product cannot be labeled as a sanitizer or a disinfectant unless and until it is EPA certified. A chemical company like Nyko might register a formula as both, enabling that product to be called a disinfectant sanitizer. Number 4. Germ specificity. Both sanitizers and disinfectants must be tested against specific germs. Chemical labels must list out each of these germs individually. One disinfectant could kill germs X and Y, while another disinfectant might kill germs Y and Z. It's important to understand that a single sanitizer or disinfectant will not kill all microorganisms, and to know which germs your products work against. Sanitizers are certified for bacteria only, while disinfectants can also be certified to kill viruses, mold, mildew, and fungi. Number 5. Time to kill. The time it takes to kill germs is one more factor that is important when evaluating both sanitizers and disinfectants, and this must also be listed on a product's label. Some chemical formulas kill respective germs in 5 minutes and others in just 1 minute or less. This is called dwell time, and should be taken into account when choosing and using sanitizers and disinfectants for various applications. As an example, table time 200 eliminates 99.999% of bacteria * in 1 minute.